Hey there, Jen Fine, CEO and co-founder of YouLi, and I am talking to you from a parking lot off of Highway 101 going north in Northern California. So this is where I grew up, sort of this area of the world, and it feels really good to be back, and it feels really good to be traveling again. So I've gotten a lot of questions from people about how I managed to get out of Australia, and the answer is because I'm in the US for business. I'm here to relaunch the YouLi brand, so you'll be seeing that in my feed as we talk about our new plans that are coming out in September and all the other changes that are happening, which is all very exciting. But very importantly, I am here to meet clients and partners. And this morning I was lucky enough to meet Sam Keller of Working Without Borders in Mill Valley. So I'm just coming back from that visit. It was just so incredible to see him in person. You know, somebody I've only ever known virtually, and he was working in Tahiti and I was working in Australia, and randomly we happened to be in the same place at the same time. And that's kind of what's cool about the travel world is those of us who kind of live this life know that sometimes the world is smaller than you think. So that was an amazing way to start my Wednesday. This is my first sort of conscious day on this continent. Yes, I get a good night's sleep. And it was also really great to just see, you know, being at a cafe in California and just feeling really normal. Some people with masks, mostly not, just feeling really comfortable and not scary. I was expecting to sort of be a little bit more nervous about things, but people seem to, be vaccinated and just kind of restarting their lives, which is amazing. Then again, I'm in a parking lot of a store here that's closed. And I'm expecting to see a lot of that sort of hangover effect from, just not a lot of people traveling on the roads. And so these kinds of restaurants that cater to that are not going to necessarily be open right now. But 101 traffic, for those of you who've ever driven it is back. So it's nice to take a little break here on the side of the road and, just sort of not be in bumper to bumper traffic. The thing I don't miss about California. But otherwise, it's really been great to be traveling, and it's just so wonderful to know that it's not as scary as I thought it would be. And actually the hardest part was getting out of Australia. So now that I'm in the States, things seems to be moving a lot smoother, which is great. And I look forward to my next big stop. After I leave California, I'll be heading to Seattle. So those of you who are in the Seattle area, we have an event where Vika, our community manager, is organizing for us to go hiking. So if you're interested in that, the link will be posted below and you can hopefully come and join us. I would love to meet you and spend some time refreshing our energy out in the wilds of Washington State. So I hope that you can join me there, or if not there, maybe somewhere else on my itinerary. So please let me know where you are in the US, and I would love to connect either in person or maybe just virtually if it makes it easier that I'm in this time zone. That's why I'm here, to connect with all of you, and I look forward to seeing more people along the journey. Talk soon.